Mga kapatid, merong sinasabi si Tambaluslos, ang pinakasikat na mambabatas sa ating bansa. Huwag tayong maging tagapagsalita ng kasinungalingan. Huwag daw kayo magsasalita ng kasinungalingan. While real crime is going down, fabricated stories and scripted videos are spreading like wildfire online. Fear is being peddled for clicks and views. That's not just irresponsible, it's dangerous. Ang sabi niya, while real crime is going down. Ngayon naman, ang tanong, dami palang real crime that's going down. Galing na sa bibig mo, Master Attorney, Prime Minister of the world. Walang kwenta talaga yung admin nyo na. Talagang, anyway, huwag tayo magkakalat ng mga fake news.